Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to turn on Meta AI on WhatsApp. This is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in the WhatsApp. First of all, find the message that you want to turn on the Meta AI. You can either scroll it down or search it on the search bar. Now select the message. Next, tap onto the chat box, which is right there. Now, tap the word Meta AI. Now, after typing the word Meta AI, if a select option pops up, then it is available in your place. But there is no sign of any options, then it is not available in your place. Hence, to turn on Meta AI, it needs to be available in your place. Then you can easily turn on Meta AI. So that's it. This is how you turn on Meta AI on your WhatsApp if it is available on your place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.